Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to rotate sketch. So for example, I will draw rectangle, start from this point into here. And if you want to rotate this sketch, you can type rotate or you can type RO, press enter. Now we need to select the object, enter again, and specify for base point or center rotation. I will click in this corner for the center rotation. Now you can rotate the object select into 45 degree. You can type 45 and then press enter. So the sketch will be automatically rotate into 45 degree. Okay, to rotate you can tap RO, press enter and select the objects, enter again. Specify for center rotation. I will click in middle point here. So you can rotate. Like here I will set into minus 30 degree and then press enter. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial how to rotate sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.